Good morning, my dear friend. Are you ready for another joyful day?
Free me. I hate this life.
That's right! Today's gonna be a perfect day, don't you think?
Just kill me. Kill me for God's sake! Every day, the same routine. The same seeds and water. I've got enough of this! There's shit everywhere!
Here, you must be really hungry, buddy.
It's disgusting. I can't believe I'm eating this crap!
I see you like it a lot.
I'm walking over my own feces. That is just plain wrong. Dude, I'm in no mood for your little games, so stop imitating me! I hate you! All you do is mock me! As usual, there's only poop on the news. Well, time to do my daily products. I need to end this now.
Aw, he's playing again.
You'll help me, won't you? Just do it! Be a man! End it once and for all.
Oh, he's really thirsty. Today was a really hot day.
Just kill me! Why won't I just die?
Good night, Birdie.
Kill me! For the love of Jesus, kill me!